हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई एम लोहित जिंदल, फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर एट कॉर्टेक्स क्लासेस. So guys, I'm back with the next video of PRMO 2019 solutions, and in today's video we are going to see the 29th question of PRMO 2019, right? So far we have done first 28 questions. So guys, in this series of PRMO IOCM questions, we are solving previous year questions. So far we have completed 2017, 18, and just now we are going to basically complete 2019, right, in the next video itself. Okay, so let's see the question, guys. Will not waste much time. But yes, one request, guys, please solve the question alongside तो maximum फायदा हो आपको. Okay, pause करके आराम से solve करो, सोचो, फिर लिखो. Okay, and then watch the video like this. तो उससे आपको maximum benefit होगा. Okay, all right. The question is based on geometry, guys. Quite easy question. Similarity वगैरह use करेंगे हम इसमें. Basic properties हैं. Okay, you will see. So let's see the question. Okay, without wasting any time. Okay, all right. Let me get to the slide. Okay, here it is. So let's see. So guys, it says in a triangle ABC, median AD with D on BC and the angle bisector BE with E on AC are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So guys, triangle बना लेते हैं पहले. Here is the median. So guys, this is A, B, C. This is the median. So these two sides are equal. And you're also drawing the angle bisector like this. तो ये guys angle bisector है. ये दोनों angles क्या हैं? Equal है. Okay, this is angle bisector and it is given to us interestingly कि ये दोनों चीजें क्या हैं, दोनों लाइंस क्या हैं, perpendicular हैं like this. Okay, so with E on BC. Okay, fine. ऐसा हो रहा है. Okay, let me name this intersection point as well, right? BF mark कर देते हैं इसको. Okay, let's say that point is F. Now guys, what we are being given is AD and BE की length पता है. We know the median's length and angle bisector's length BE. So find the nearest integer to the area of the triangle ABC. So we are supposed to find the area of triangle ABC. वो हमें find करना है. ठीक है, तो क्या करें guys? Let's see. Guys, एक बात देखो, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बात है. What we just can notice easily. ठीक है, my diagram to might not be to the scale, right, proper way में, but ठीक है, समझ में आएगा. Guys, see this triangle ABD. In this triangle ABD, this is angle bisector, right? Angle B का angle bisector बना हुआ है BF. And also BF is altitude as well. तो ऐसा कब होता है? We guys know this property directly as well. I'll tell you how to prove it as well right now. But also we should know कि ये property होती है guys. In an isosceles triangle, the angle bisector to the vertical angle is also altitude and also median होता rather, right? So it is a property. But yes, we can prove it this thing as well. तो guys देखो, angles are equal. 90-degree angle is also the same. And then BF side is common. I can say that two triangles are congruent, right? Can't I say that these two triangles are congruent? Okay, देखो, triangle ABF is congruent to triangle ABF will be congruent to DBF. Okay, triangle DBF by using ASA criteria, right? These two triangles are congruent. So from this congruency, what do we get? कि बच्चों AF equal to FD है. Okay, you might get confused कि F कहाँ है, थोड़ा वो बीच में चला गया यहाँ पे. So this is the point F, right? The intersection point of the median and the angle bisector. This point is point F. So guys, AF is equal to FD आ गया. But we also know that AD length is 7. So doesn't that mean that this has to be 7/2, right? So guys, just because these two lengths are equal and we get that this length is 7/2 each. Wouldn't I say that? 7/2 है इसकी वैल्यू भी और इसकी भी 7/2. Okay, we'll see that it will help us later on or not, whatever. But ठीक है, लिख लेते हैं अभी के लिए. 7/2 आ गया. AF is to FD, right? Other than this, we also get that AB equal to BD. देखो, we also get AB is equal to BD. But guys, BD तो पहले से DC के equal था, since AD was median. Okay, I'll write it here itself. तो BD was already equal to DC, median है. तो ये length and ये length are equal, right? So guys, very interestingly, AB is to BC कितना है? What is the length of AB upon BC? That is 2:1, right? Sorry, AB छोटा है ना, sorry, 1:2. That ratio is 1:2. Now guys, look at this carefully. एंगल बी क्या था आपका? एंगल बाइसेक्टर है. नाउ लुक एट द बिग पिक्चर. एबीसी जो आपका ट्राइंगल है बच्चों, इन द ट्राइंगल एबीसी एंगल बी इज द एंगल बाइसेक्टर, राइट? अगर एंगल बाइसेक्टर होता है उसकी क्या प्रॉपर्टी होती है? दैट इट डिवाइड्स द ऑपोजिट साइड, सामने वाली साइड को वो इट डिवाइड्स इन द सेम रेशियो एज द साइड्स कंटेनिंग द एंगल, right? So we know that AB is to BC is equal to AE is to EC. So the same ratio should be is equal to, सामने वाली साइड्स को उसी रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है, तो AE is to EC, right? So that is 1:2 as well. So guys, this is 1:2. This is in the ratio 1:2. Now our job is done more or less guys. क्यों? Guys देखो, हम ABC का एरिया will try to find it in the terms of ABE का एरिया. Okay, so see guys, if we look at this triangle ABC and BE is the angle bisector, it divides the सामने वाला साइड का रेशियो क्या है? 1:2 है. So if I say कि area of triangle, what does this mean? देखो, area of triangle ABE upon area of triangle ABC, it should be equal to the ratio of their bases if the height is the same. Considering AC as the base in this triangle, ABE में AE को बेस लो, AC में ABC में AC को. So base is the same side AC. So B is the perpendicular height. तो B का height तो उधर से सेम ही है दोनों से, दोनों के triangles के bases से height तो same है. We know this property as well. The area ratio of the areas of the two triangles with the common vertex, right, is in the same ratio as the bases. तो वो प्रॉपर्टी हम यूज कर लेंगे. सो ABE अपॉन ABC, देखो ABE का बेस AE है एंड ABC का बेस AC है. सो दिस रेशियो शुड बी इन द रेशियो ऑफ AE is to AC. So guys, since AE is to EC is 1:2, what is AE is to AC? 1:3. That is from ratio and proportion, right? Simple. Because अगर guys ये length x है, this length is 2x, let's say, just to make you understand, then total length कितनी है? 3x है. So AE is x upon AC is 3x, right? Isn't it like x upon 3x? तो 1/3 आ जाएगा यहाँ से. So I've used this thing, okay? I hope guys आप लोग प्रिपेयर करो मैथ्स ओलंपियाड के लिए. I expect at least ये इतना बेसिक तो आपको चीजें पता होंगी, right? So AE is to AC is 1:3. So once this is done guys, so let's see. So area of triangle ABC, so from this thing is coming out to be equal to 3 times area of triangle ABE. That's it guys. अब वैल्यू डाल देते हैं. 3 times half base into height. तो guys ABE में consider BE as the base and AF as the height. So because we know the length of BE ना, तो BE का तो क्वेश्चन में लेंथ दी हुई है, AF हम निकाल चुके हैं. Now let's put in the values. सारी वैल्यूज प्लग कर देते हैं. So 3 into half into BE कितना है गाइस? देखो BE गिवन है क्वेश्चन में 9 एंड into AF कितना है गाइस? हम ढूंढ चुके हैं 7/2. So how much is it? कुछ भी कैंसिल तो हो नहीं रहा है गाइस. 9 into 7 into 3 is 21. 21 into 9 189, right? Let me check. Okay, 189/4. So if you divide it by 4, we'll get 4 पे कैंसिल हुआ 16. 29 आएगा तो 7.25. So area is coming out to be 47.25. Guys, तभी तो क्वेश्चन ने क्या पूछा था? Always read the last line of the question after solving. Integer nearest to the area. So that integer nearest, okay, so then I'm sorry guys. Okay, so what is the nearest integer जो आपको मिलेगा इसमें? That is 47. That's it. So the final answer that you'll marking in this question for this particular question will be 47 guys. दैट वुड बी योर फाइनल आंसर जो आप मार्क करोगे OMR शीट पे, राइट? So guys, I hope this question was clear to you. थोड़ा रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन यूज किया and some basic properties of triangles like isosceles triangle की property and all. But ratio proportion and angle bisector theorem, angle bisector property, right? वो हमने यूज की मेजरली and it made it quite easy to solve, right? So guys, I hope आप सबको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया. अगर कोई दिक्कत लग रही है, you can ask your doubts in the comment box, or you can just try to watch the video again. And if you don't know some concept, please brush it up, because ये सब जो concepts guys हम cover कर रहे हैं, those are the very basics of geometry. Okay, do cover those properly. Okay, all the best guys. That's it from my end. We'll see you in the next video. And in the next video we'll be completing the paper of 2019, right? So it will be one such milestone, so small milestone. Okay, all right guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and all the best. Bye bye.